This is the most embarrassing defeat in military history. In 1932, Australia declared war, not on a country, but on birds. 20,000 emus were destroying crops, so the government sent the army with machine guns. The soldiers thought it would be a massacre. They were wrong. The emus acted like guerrilla fighters. They split into small groups, dodged the bullets, and outran the trucks. After a month and 10,000 rounds of ammo, only a few hundred birds were hit. The army commander surrendered. He said, if we had a division of these birds, they could face any army in the world. The result, the birds won. The army went home. And the emus, they kept eating the wheat.